All right, today we're going to bring a roof rack, and this is actually goes along with the attachment that you have. All right, now if you guys can see, it does have an actual key, because you can lock your boards or any kind of wood, and then you can have as thick as almost 3 inches or 2 inches. So if you're going to be taking wood from one place to another, this is actually good for flat wood. All right, it wouldn't work for a 4x4, but it will work for any snowboards, your skis, and so forth. And you want to lock them in place, you can do that. There's a push of button here that you push up and it unlocks it. Now you're gonna have to set these up first. All right, if you guys can see, the pieces are right here. I'm setting them all up, and we're gonna take a look at it, how it looks. Now the hardest part is putting that little screw in here and making sure that this is facing down. These are the mounts that go underneath of it, the lug nuts that you have to lock in, and so forth. So we're gonna set this one up, and then we're gonna set up on our roof. Now, another part that they give you is that this Allen wrench to remove the actual screw that goes on the top. All right, so you are gonna need the Allen wrench that's included with it to remove it and then place it. This is pretty much how it's supposed to go on the top and the bottom. So they're squared off in the top and squared off in the actual bottom here. So just make sure that you're aware of that, and then you tie this up. All right, here it is, guys. It's up in my rack already. What you need to do is just push the button, open your stuff. You guys can see one of them. Go with the other one here. There's the other one. We're gonna add our piece of wood or whatever it is that you need, your snowboard, your skis. You can set up all that stuff. Let's go ahead and set it up so you guys can see how it looks. All right, to lock it in place, it's a piece of wood, large piece of wood. Lock it in place. Locks in place right there. So when you want to remove it, just make sure you hit it all the way down. All right, and look how thick the piece of wood is. All right, so push it down, push the button, lift it up, and you're ready to go. Very simple process, except for the actual screw that you have to set up. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.